Today I'm going to show you how to naturally remove dark circles in Photoshop in just 1 minute. With the background layer selected, press Ctrl or Command J to make a copy. Now select the background layer again and click on the new layer button to create a layer between them. Select layer 1 and then go to filter and then convert for smart filters to convert it into a smart object. Hit OK and then go to filter again, other and then high pass. Now keep the value 0.1, keep on increasing it. Stop at the point where you begin to see the dark circle. So I'm going to stop at 4.7, hit OK. Now change the blend mode from normal to overlay. Hold the alter option, click on the line between these two layers, just like that. Select layer 2. Select the eyedropper tool, make sure the sample is current and below and the sample size is 5x5. Take the brush, zoom into the eye bag, hold the Alt or option, sample from a brighter area and then just paint on the darker area. Now it's too much. Decrease the flow to somewhere around 5% and do the same. Keep on doing it and you will easily, naturally, very nicely, beautifully remove the dark circle.